love how they're just jumbled up. I think... no, we might go through all those.
If not, I'll run out to the car, grab the extra batteries before we switch over to the shotgun. Let you actually try some...
The time's rolled over.
Huh?
Time's rolled over.
Yeah, it only lasts for about 15 minutes. It's a new film.
But is it still recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
You have offended me, sir. Good.
Okay, let me...
Alright. Oop. Alright. How about the... Let's see what I did while you're reloading it. Well, you're never gonna have a headache again, dude. So I can go for the head. You got the throat, and you got the right here in the heart, where the heart should be. You're getting good, bro. I'm gonna send her back down range. Right about there for you. One guy feels like he really solid horse.
You remember when I promised to kill you last? I lied.
Wow. Accuracy over speed, dude. It looks like you hit the thing right there in the far corner. Aim. Fire.
I was just showing off.
You did a good job of showing off, and I got it on camera. We've already gone through 100 rounds with this thing, and still no sign of critical failure. For $119, you got a good little pea shooter.
That's true. Like I said, the only thing I'm concerned about now is seeing how little kick she actually has.
Go ahead. Make my day. Alright. You mind doing me a quick solid?
What?
Go grab the batteries for me.
Yeah, sure.
Here. You're gonna need the keys.
True. Where are they?
They're in the other Walmart bag. I got some electrical tape and a laser pointer to tease the cat with because she's been getting really plump lately. I gotta make sure she gets moving. Alright, everybody. It's just you and me now. We'll be right back. Hope you enjoy this. Yo.